Have you ever felt famished just hours after a big meal? If so, you're not alone, and you might have these little brain cells to thank. Scientists have identified a special group of brain cells that act like the mind's meal archivist, remembering what you eat and when you eat it. A new study published today in a leading scientific journal reveals how these cells form unique memory traces for each meal you have. These traces help your brain keep track of the food you've consumed, preventing you from getting hungry too soon and overeating. Imagine a perfect dinner. You sit down, the food is delicious, and you feel satisfied. But a few hours later, hunger pangs return. You might think you haven't eaten enough, so you have seconds. Yet hours later, the cycle repeats. You're hungry again. It almost feels like that meal never happened. This isn't just an eating quirk. It's your brain's way of keeping tabs on what you've consumed. According to the study, deep within the brain, in a region called the ventral hippocampus, certain neurons come alive during meals. These neurons create what researchers call meal engrams, unique memory traces that store the details of your eating experience. Meal engrams are more than just memories of the food. They include details like the time and the setting. It's like your brain is creating a personal dining diary. Now, here's the intriguing part. Scientists have discovered that these meal engrams are separate from other types of memory engrams in the brain. This suggests that your brain has a dedicated system for processing meal-related information. These findings could revolutionize our understanding of eating disorders. People with memory issues like dementia or brain injuries often find themselves repeating meals. That's because their brain can't form robust meal memories. But these memory lapses aren't just about the food. They also affect the timing and context of meals. As a result, these individuals may unknowingly eat the same thing over and over again, not realizing that they've already consumed that meal. This new research sheds light on a critical aspect of our everyday lives, the importance of remembering what and when we eat. By understanding how our brain processes meal-related memories, we can develop better strategies for managing eating disorders, preventing overeating, and promoting overall healthy eating habits. So the next time you sit down to a meal, take a moment to appreciate the complex processes occurring in your brain. Remembering this experience will not only help you savor the present moment, but also ensure that you don't unknowingly repeat your lunch for breakfast.